Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang tungkol dito kay XRP kung saan ang sabi po rito ay ex-Ripple director says big news coming for XRP soon. Kaya yan, meron daw pong isang nalalapit na malaking balita para kay XRP. Ayon po yan sa isang dating Ripple director. Kaya yan, atin pong aalamin kung ano nga ba ang malaking balita na ito. Pero bago po tayo magpatuloy, ay nais ko lamang po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Ayan po, sabi rito ay a former Ripple director has recently teased upcoming exciting developments for the XRP ecosystem, charging the community to expect big news. Kaya ayan, isang dating Ripple director ang nakapagsabi na may isang paparating na malaking exciting na developments para sa ecosystem ng XRP. Kaya ayan, big news daw po ito. This teaser came from Sean McBride, a talent acquisition leader who served as Ripple's Director of Global Talent Acquisition for 2 years, from August 2021 to July 2023. McBride took to X last night to prepare the XRP community for what he regards as a big development. Kaya yan po siya. Si Ginoong Sean McBride. Siya po ang nagsilbi na Ripple Director ng Global Talent Acquisition ng 2 taon mula po noong August 2021 hanggang July 2023. Kaya yan, gamit po ang kanyang X account ay sabi niya rito ay kailangan daw na mag-prepare or maghanda ang XRP community dahil sa meron daw pong isang paparating na malaking development na magaganap. Big news coming from Ripple and XRP in the next couple days. The former Ripple director remarked in a rather enigmatic post that has triggered mixed reactions from the XRP community. Kaya yan, ang malaking balita raw po na ito kay Ripple at saka kay XRP ay paparating na po na sa ilang araw lamang ay ilalabas na ito. Kaya ayan, nagdulot po ito ng iba't ibang ng sari-saring reaksyon mula sa mga community members ng XRP. Yan, ito po yung actual na tweet rito ni Ginoong Sean McBride. Yan, big news coming from Ripple and XRP in the next couple days. Ayan, ibig pong sabihin yan, couple days, ilang araw lamang. XRP community reacts. While some proponents expressed excitement in anticipation of the unknown development, others showed less enthusiasm, citing a past pattern of previous disclosures that turned out disappointing when no visible positive impact on the ecosystem. Kaya yan, may mga excited naman daw po sa hindi natin alam na development na ito. Ayan, na sinasabi ni na inilabas ni Ginoong Sean McBride. Ayan, pero yung iba ay sila ay nai-excite or interesado silang malaman kung ano ito. Yung iba naman ay parang wala na po silang interest dito. Yan pa kasi sabi nila ay parang may pagkakatulad na rin daw po ito sa mga nakaraang pangyayari na yung malaking balita na ito ay parang wala rin or parang nakaka-disappoint or nakakadismaya kasi yung kanilang sinasabi ay wala naman daw nakikitang positibong impact sa ecosystem ni XRP ngayon. Dapat na meron daw po tayong nararamdaman ngayon sa presyo lalong-lalo na sa presyo ni XRP. And one internet personality mockingly questioned if the upcoming development involved an announcement from a major company about using Ripple product and then not actually following through with the move. Yan, meron din pong isang internet personality raw dito. Yan, ang naglabas ng kanyang pabirong tanong. Yan, ayon po sa kanya ay baka naman yung announcement na naman ito ay isang Ripple product na hindi na rin pala masusundan. Kaya yan. Ito yung kanyang si Ginoong Faisal. Sabi niya rito ay another company using Ripple products as a pilot program and then never actually using it after. Kaya yan, parang hindi isang mag-i-introduce daw sila ng isang product tapos wala rin pala, hindi rin pala nila ito gagamitin. Kaya yan, notably, there have been multiple instances of leading financial giants announcing intentions to use XRP or Ripple's product for their services, but failing to follow through with the plans. Some of these companies went as far as testing the products. In February 2018, Western Union's then CEO Hekmet Ersurk confirmed that the money transfer giant was experimenting with Ripple's technology as well as with XRP with plans to leverage them for a more seamless transaction settlement. However, Western Union never adopted this plan. In addition, MoneyGram, a Western Union rival, partnered with Ripple in 2019 to leverage Ripple's products for cross-border settlements. Nonetheless, both firms terminated this partnership in 2021 following the SEC's charges. Kaya yan, meron pong mga nakipag-partner dito kay Ripple na malalaking mga kumpanya. Ayan. At sinubukan lamang daw po nila, ayan, tinesting lamang po nila si XRP na gamitin bilang pang cross-border settlements. Ayan. At nung una ay si Western Union noong taong 2018. Yan, February 2018. Pero hindi po nila tinuloy na gamitin ito. At sinundan na rin ni MoneyGram at ganun din. Hindi na rin po nila tinuloy. Ayan, lalong-lalo na nung nagkahinabol ng US SEC itong si Ripple. Ay yan, wala na. Growing concerns. These cases have dealt a blow to the community as the anticipated adoption of XRP from these partnerships have not materialized as expected. Some community members have also lamented the effects these failed developments have on XRP's price movement. Yan, kasi yung pag natuloy yung partnership ni Ripple dito kay Western Union at saka si MoneyGram ay talagang maganda yung benefit nito. Yan, sa market price ni XRP. Yan, tataas talaga kasi magdudulot yan ng demand kay XRP at aangat yung kanyang presyo. Ngunit hindi po yan nangyari kaya marami po sa community ang nalungkot. Yan, dahil sa hindi ito naganap. Meanwhile, in a follow-up post, McBride castigated the individuals criticizing him for his earlier remarks. He emphasized that some big news is indeed coming to the XRP ecosystem, and it has already arrived. According to him, XRP would record a price explosion from this. Kaya yan, ang tindi. Ayon po kay Ginoong Sean McBride ay ang news daw na ito ay talagang nandito na raw. At ito raw ay magdudulot ng isang matinding pagsabog sa kanyang presyo. Ayan. Yung actual niyang sinabi rito, yeah, all non-Ripple shareholders can STFU because yes, big news is coming. Already has come and XRP is going to explode. Yan po ang sabi niya. Talagang sasabog raw dahil at ang magdudulot sa pagsabog nito ay ang malaking balita na ito. He charged those who do not have any positive response to hold their peace. Despite the criticism, the former Ripple director failed to disclose the nature of the upcoming development, leaving room for speculation among XRP proponents. XRP has struggled amid ongoing market uncertainty. The token recently gave up 0.51 or 51 cents, currently changing hands at 0.5013. Most proponents have bemoaned in its inability to leverage past market uptrends, anticipating positive developments that could eventually lead to a breakout. Kaya ayun po, hindi po naglabas ng hindi po nilabas ni Ginoong Sean McBride kung ano nga ba yung big news na ito or malaking balita na magpapasabog sa presyo ni XRP. Yan, sorpresa na lamang daw po siguro yan. Yan, pero sabi niya basta nalalapit na ito. Mga ilang araw lamang ay may ilalabas na po nila kung ano yung malaking balita na ito, at kasabay po nito ay or dulot nito ay ang pagsabog sa presyo ni XRP. Kaya ayan, atin pong aabangan ito kung ano nga ba talaga yung malaking balita na ito. At ayan, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan ay pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siya magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panunood, ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.